Alrighty guys, I'm back here working on some other stuff here for these guys here. Gotta do some welding here on some stuff. It'll help if I get the right damn wrench, right? I always like to take my battery cables off here whenever I weld. Even though I'm welding close to where I'm at, I still like to take all this stuff here off. You can get by if you want by just taking the ground off, but I like to take both of them off. That way it ensures what you're doing. Those big grinders and stuff, I usually just take them. I'll turn the battery disconnect off, and once I do that there, I'll take in once I turn the battery disconnect off, I'll wind up unhooking the ECM and all that stuff there. But what we're going to do here now is we got to do some welding on this here. Anyways, like I said guys, we got to do some welding on this right here. The quarter key on this there has come out on it many times before, so they wanted me to just go ahead and weld it. So that's what we're going to do here now. We're just going to weld it here. A little paint here, it's already peeling off here. I'll get the little grinder and smooth that there out. Anyways, we'll get our ground wire hooked up here close to right there, and then we'll start welding this up here. So let me get my welding leads out. We'll go ahead and weld this up, and we'll put the cap back on there. And I was going to do some more welding over there on that bandit over there. The bandit has got the same problem over there. They stripped these here out. So what I was going to do on that there is that one over there, the sprocket's missing, so I had to wind up ordering a sprocket and some bushings and all that other stuff. So let me get the welding leads and stuff out, and I can go ahead and get this here welded. I will get this done, and then I got a bunch of other work I got to do. I don't know if I got to do any more work to their stuff today or not. I'll just have to see. I'll just have to see how it goes. Alright guys, I ain't got my welding helmet, my regular welding helmet's at the damn shop, because I've been practicing how to TIG weld stuff. So hopefully this here should get me by. Like I said, I ain't got to weld them up. Can't see none of this junky helmet either. There we go. Now we got her. Now they can move it back and forth. That has been a good welder for me, guys. That old welder right there is one when I bought my service truck, it was on there. I don't use it much, but when I use it, it's always a pretty good one. I mean, I got a newer one there at the shop, but I kind of got it as a backup in case something ever happens to this one. Hopefully nothing ever does, but you never know. I kind of leave that one there just in case if, say I had to go weld something. Say I had to go weld something for somebody indoors or somewhere I couldn't get my service truck and I had to do some welding. I could just take it right there and put that on a pallet and put it on a forklift or something, and I could just take it right inside there to do some welding on there. that there done. Okay, so there's that. These here. Oh, and like I said, guys, always make sure you unhook your damn batteries right here. Like I said, I don't want to have to be responsible if I fry a computer on something. So always make sure that always take these here off. So, there we go, got that there done. Got that there done. I'm going to pick up all these tools, pick all my stuff here back up, and then once I get all this stuff here picked up, I want to check the blades in this real quick, because I guarantee they're probably shot. And then he said something about the lights on that other chipper truck over is not working, so we got to look at that there. And then I got to run all the way back, and I got a 99 Power Stroke. I got the shifter columns messed up in it, so I got to work on that. So just a normal day. I figured I'd give a little video here showing you guys what I do, on a daily basis here. Like I said, I don't video everything. Sometimes I wish I could, but sometimes it just don't work out that way. So let me get my stuff here picked up, and we'll head on to this next job. Try to get these. There it goes. I'll show you a little something here, guys. If you ain't sure how they go back on there, that's kind of why I keep a lot of these. Well, let's see up here in this top tray, where it's just it's a madness of stuff. I like to take these little zip ties here. Put a zip tie on this one here. Zip tie on that one there. Zip tie it like that there, and then that way you know where they gotta go at. And like I said, we'll just work this one. Just work this one. Put this. Get that one back here just like that. Here we go. Getting her broke free now. Let me grab my little things here. Stop them up. Shouldn't be a whole lot of wool coming out here, but you just never know. Try not to make it as messy as I. Put it in there like that. The hoses are pretty much exactly, guys, where they're going to be at anyways, but you can do this like this. I'm not worried about the oil filter right now because I'm going to change oil in it anyways. So that's why I didn't get a new oil filter for it. So these ones here, these are 15/16 is what they are. So yeah, you broke it clean off right there. It looks like to me it's been broke for a pretty long time. It just the way that it got a hold of it there, that was pretty much the end of that there. So let's get this thing here. Let me get my wrench here. I'll put this back here in that vise. See if I can get it taken off there real quick. Got to get the oil filter too, so get that all off of there. Drain this here out real quick, and let me get this drained out here, guys. Get the oil filter off there, and then I'll pull these two caps off here real quick. All right, I got them all put on there now. I got them kind of snugged on there. I'll get them a whole lot tighter whenever I go to take and put it back on there. If you look on this thing right here, well, maybe not on that one there, but anyways, it goes just like this here. I actually put these in the wrong one, but the lines are going to go exactly how they should have went in the first place. So this one's going to go on this side, and that one's going to go on that side. So just as long as you remember that there, you'll be just fine. Shove that one on there. Shove that one on there. I'll go ahead and get these tightened up here. Tell you what, I can't. I'll take it back, guys. I can't do it like that there. I gotta leave this a little bit loose. I gotta leave it a little bit loose because I gotta be able to, once I bolt that up, I'm gonna tighten it down a little bit more there and see what I come up with. Let me take this call. I forgot, if I put that on like that, guys, I ain't gonna get the damn, I won't be able to get that other side there tightened up. So I'm gonna have to do it a different way. So let me take these bolts here back out, and then once I get these bolts here out, I can get it lined up here. Because I'm not gonna be able to get it in. I'm not gonna be able to get it in there. I can tighten that side up, but I won't be able to tighten the other damn side up. Alright guys, I got the oil filter on here now when I got both these here tightened up. So I guess we can go ahead and fire this thing up and see if, make sure it's not going to leak or nothing here real quick. Got that there. I think it was just leaking from that one little spot there. I'll take and I'll leave it like that for a second, let it run. We got a power stroke over here we got to work on next. The them don't go in there, damn it. Them are metric. I got a power stroke over here we got to work on next. You go there, and you're a 1/2 inch, so I think. So I got a power stroke over here I got to work on next. The steering column or something's messed up on it. Hopefully it don't get too dark on me and I can figure out what's going on. But I'm gonna let this thing sit here and run for a second, guys, and see, and just to make sure it's not gonna leak. And then we'll go check over there because it's getting kind of dark and it's getting late in the day.